Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Review. Today I'm going to be trying Belching Beaver Brewing. It's out of Oceanside, California. This one's peanut butter milk stout. It's 5.3% alcohol. I've had stout beers before. I just saw this one, thought it was different, so I thought I'd try it. So here we go. It definitely smells like peanut butter. Oh, that is thick. That's thick. I think you're supposed to pour stouts fast, and I didn't. That is like thick, dark brown. Yeah, it really smells like peanut butter a lot. Not as thick as I thought it was going to be. It's a lot smoother than I thought. It tastes like coffee and peanut butter. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Coffee and peanut butter. It's not horrible. I thought it was going to be really thick when I saw that brown, but it's not. It's pretty smooth. So thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube, leave comments, subscribe if you have a YouTube channel, and until next time, cheers. It's got like a coffee taste to it. What the fuck? I hope this doesn't give me a stomachache.